Hello and welcome to Quick Learn Photography, straight to the point videos that teach you everything that I've learned in over the last 10 years of professional photography. My name's James, and in this one I'm going to talk about these things: lens hoods. All right, lens hoods and why they're so important. All right, so this is from personal experience and I hope it helps you. It's quite a simple thing to talk about. It's not very technical, but let's talk about lens hoods. Okay, now I always leave mine on for a specific reason. Yes, it helps with sun flare. It can cut out, bright glare and things like that. That's what they're for, which is good, to cut out the glare. But I've been criticized before when I've been indoors and I've still got these things on and they're like, why have you got, sorry, you can't see it there. It's kind of like camouflage. So you can see the lens hood there, can't you? They're sort of, why have you got that on? We're indoors. There's no sun flare or anything like that to get in the way. Very specific reason, and it's very, very safety, common sense. It protects the lens. It protects the lens. That's it. Keep your lens hood on, and maybe you might get the odd person, like I've had over the years, sort of being a little bit critical, like, why have you got the lens hood on? If you've got any kind of like harness system, or even if it's hanging on a strap or down by the side like this, it can swing around and it can bang into things. It can really bang into things. And a while ago, I had one broken at a wedding reception I was doing for my nephew. The dance floor stuff, it's crazy. You're photographing people dancing. And someone went into the camera hard and the lens cap popped off, but it protected the actual lens, all right? So if you scratch your lens, that's kind of, it's just wear and tear, and something could also break it as well. Also, when there's kids around, say like a wedding reception or something like that, if it's hanging down by your side, I've had this, they sometimes grab it and if they've got sticky fingers with like ice cream or something on them, that can go on your lens. So that just gives it that extra little bit of protection to possibly avoid that. But yeah, watch that. If your camera's hanging down by your side, kids do tend to think, oh, what's this, and start playing around with it. But yeah, years and years ago, I dropped one as well, about similar size to this, dropped it, it came off, I didn't have it attached properly, it came off and it dropped to the ground and it landed on the lens hood and it broke the lens hood, but these are really replaceable. You can get these off eBay and Amazon really easy. It broke the lens hood, but not the lens. It absolutely saved the lens. So, and it costs, not a lot of money to get a lens hood. So very, very simple tool. It's effective for cutting out the sun flare and things like that, but mainly it's protection. And I have the lens hood on for any work that I do. Even when I'm doing portrait work, when it's on a tripod or something, I still have the lens hood on, okay? It just protects everything. And when you're running and gunning, doing like quick fire photography, say like a wedding reception, it just protects the lens, okay? Very simple video, and I hope it helps, okay? Now, if you need any coaching at all with photography, if there's something you think I can help you with, have a discovery call, tell me what your needs are. If it's something I can help you with photography, get in touch below, and yeah, we can have that call, and then we can arrange a time to work together on Zoom, one-to-one, very specific to you, and help you with your photography needs. So yeah, if that's something you'd be interested in, get in touch below. So yeah, very simple. Keep your lens hood on. It'll protect your lens. Thanks for watching.